On the 19th of August 2023, our favorite Burna Boy, they call him Burna Boy, performed at Afronation US. It was a spectacular event, and Burna Boy was the highlight of the day, performing all the mega hits. I'm not going to talk too much about it this time, but man, one special thing he did was give a shout out to Wizkid, who had just lost his mother. May her gentle soul rest in peace. So check it out, Burna Boy at Afronation US, Detroit.
I'm from Nigeria, for those of you motherfuckers that don't know. So I just came back from home and shit, so I'm still in my element, you understand? So if I speak pidgin to you, try and understand, because that's what it will be. You feel like empty! Ladies again. I'm coming to you, ladies. I wanna be empty. I wanna hold you so tight. It's been a hell of a ride. I've never seen no more. You can make a reason. You make me feel hard. Whenever I'm gone, you care for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. I'll be letting go. I want to be dancing you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am.
I put my life into my job and I
so